how to log in or sign into your Bank of America account or app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will simply guide you through the steps of how you can sign into your Bank of America account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to sign into your Bank of America account, it's actually very simple to do so, because first of all, just open up your app store and then in the search box you just want to type in BoFA and make sure to download or update the BoFA app to the latest version. So this is the application you want to download or update, right? So once you've downloaded this application, I want you to go over and then open it up. Now if you're new to Bank of America, in that case you could just tap on the get started option. You can just go ahead and just simply select your bank account, or you can just create a bank account, or you can simply register for mobile banking. But assuming you already do have an account, you just want to come back, tap on the option called login over here. Make sure to enter the user ID that you chose when you're signing up or registering for mobile banking. So just go ahead and enter the user ID of your Bank of America account in this case. Once you enter the user ID of your Bank of America account, I want you to also go ahead and then enter your password. Now if you would like to save your user ID, you can just tap on save user ID button. If you want to set up Face ID, you can just tap on the set up Face ID, so that next time, whenever you want to log in, you can simply use your Face ID. If you forgot your ID or your password and you want to reset it, well, in that case also you can just tap on the forgot ID or password option and then make sure to reset it in that way. But if all your details are correct, you can just tap on the sign in button, you should be able to log in without any issues. That's all it takes to sign into your BoFA or a Bank of America mobile banking account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.